Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies for making money during a recession in 2023. As we know, recessions can be tough times for many people, but they can also present unique opportunities for those who are willing to take action and think outside the box. So, whether you're someone who has been impacted by the recession or simply looking to make the most of the situation, we've got some ideas that could help you increase your income and weather the storm. Let's get started. Start a side hustle. One of the most effective ways to make extra money during a recession is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is simply a part-time job or business that you can run alongside your regular job or other commitments. There are countless side hustles you could pursue, depending on your skills and interests. For example, you could start a freelance writing or graphic design business, sell crafts or products online, or even offer your services as a consultant or coach. The key is to find something you enjoy and are good at, and then market your skills to potential customers or clients. Invest in the stock market. While it might seem counterintuitive to invest in the stock market during a recession, the truth is that it can be a great time to buy stocks at a discounted price. Historically, the stock market has always recovered from recessions and continued to grow over the long term. So, if you have some money to invest and are willing to ride out any short-term fluctuations, you could potentially make a lot of money by buying stocks during a recession. Of course, investing always comes with risks, so it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. Consider real estate investing. Another option for making money during a recession is to invest in real estate. While it can be more challenging to find good deals during a downturn, there are often opportunities to buy properties at a discount and then rent them out for passive income. Again, investing in real estate does come with risks, so it's important to do your research and work with a knowledgeable real estate agent or investor. Take advantage of government programs during a recession. Governments often introduce programs and initiatives to help stimulate the economy and support those who are struggling financially. For example, you may be eligible for unemployment benefits, small business loans, or other forms of financial assistance. By taking advantage of these programs, you can help cushion the impact of the recession on your finances and potentially even use the funds to start a new business or invest in your future. Look for job opportunities in recession-proof industries. Finally, if you're looking for a more traditional way to make money during a recession, consider looking for job opportunities in industries that tend to be recession-proof. Some examples of recession-proof industries include healthcare, education, and essential services like utilities and transportation. By targeting these industries, you can increase your chances of finding stable, long-term employment even during a recession. Conclusion, and there you have it. Those are just a few ideas for making money during a recession in 2023. Remember, while recessions can be tough times, they can also present unique opportunities for those who are willing to take action and think creatively. So, whether you're starting a side hustle, investing in the stock market or real estate, or looking for job opportunities in recession-proof industries, there are always ways to increase your income and thrive even in challenging times. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.